Good evening, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Excel video lesson number 13. In previous lesson, that is Excel video lesson number 12, we studied about nested if. That means how we can find out one student is pass or fail, pass with third class as well as second class and then first class. We studied with the help of nested if. In this class, we will see nested function. Already we studied nested function. One function lies within another function. That is called as nested function. In previous classes, we are using only if function inside another if function. What will happen, sir, if you are having other functions? For example, concatenate can contains another function. That means another if, as well as some other function. So totally different functions can lies within another function. Now we will see how to work it out. As usual, I like to open workbook that is called as function. Now go to new worksheet. I want to make it as a little bit bigger size. So first I type name here, then gender, either male or female, and then before that we can have father name, father or husband name, father or husband name. Here we can have gender. Here we can have marital status. Here we can have age. Here we can have result. I like to type some of the student name here, or some of the names, employee name or student name or citizen name. First I type Selvamani. Then I type randomly typing Edil, Guru, Sarikam, then Bhaskar, and then Ashwini. Some of the name I type Sendil. Then I type here I type father name. If she is female, if she is married, I will type husband name. If she is unmarried, I will type father name. So Edil is married, so that is why I type father husband name. If it is a male, no need to worry, directly type father name. Sarika is unmarried, so I like to type father name. He is male, directly we can type father name. She is unmarried, then type here I have to type gender status. M stands for male, F stands for female. Here I have to type marital status. Y stands for yes, that is married. Married, 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 unmarried, unmarried. Sorry, no, no, yes, no. So I like to type here is age 45, 40, 46, will be 14, last will be 44, will be 28, it will be 43, it will be 15. Here I need result. Just assume in India, all of us know those are aged more than or equal to 18 are eligible to vote. Those are aged less than 18 are not eligible to vote. Here I need result. In case of Selvamani, his father name is Krishnamurthy, he is male, he is married, he is 45 years. Then already you know very well, father as well as husband name first alphabet comes as a initial. So it should be K dot Selvamani. He is a male. Then it should be son of. Then father name Krishnamurthy. You are eligible to vote since you are 45 years old. So that text should be recited. Similarly here, she is female, married. Then it should be Mrs. That means M-R-S dot. Husband name first alphabet is initial for her. Then S dot Jedin. Wife of Selvamani. You are eligible to vote since you are 40 years old. Whereas if it is Sarika, she is female, unmarried. Miss, that means M-I-S-S dot Miss. S dot Sarika, daughter of Selvamani. She is unmarried. So, daughter of Selvamani, you are not eligible to vote since she is only 14 years. You are not eligible to vote. So, these kinds of result I needed here. So, first we can separate into so many parts. First simple thing, here Mr., here Mrs., here Miss. So three, any one of three should come here. First we will do it. Already we know very well, if gender status is M, Mr. should come. Otherwise, Miss or Mrs., any one of these two should come. First we will find out Mr. Already we know very well, first if. If has three stage, first one is condition. That means if C2 contains M, C2 equal to within double quotes M. This is a condition, comma. What value should come here? I need Mr. Comma, now we can blank. As usual, whatever you studied in the previous class. Very simple. This is the condition. This is a true block. This is the false block. Here, C2 contains M. M stands for male. This condition is true. Then Mr. will come. We can drag up to last. Wherever male is available, M is available, Mr., 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 Mr. Wherever female is available here, blank comes. Okay. So here F is there, F equal to M, condition false, then blank comes. Similar bottom. Now again, if M is not there, it is assumed F is there. That means the condition is false. It is assumed it is other than M, other than male. Then it should be female. Then what will happen? We have to check it up marital status. Here instead of blank, I have to remove it. One more if. Again, one more bracket for condition. We have to check it up D2 equal to Y. Then condition will be closed here. That means if M, this condition is false, M is not there, then it is assumed it is F is available. That is female. Then we have to check it is Y. D2 contains Y. If the condition is true, female, that is married, then we need Mrs. Otherwise, we can have blank. There are two if. We can try it out. Now, Mr. and Mrs. will come. See here, Mrs. comes here. We'll check it out. This condition false. That is C3 contains F. F equal to M. Condition false. It comes here. D3 is Y. So, married. Female, married. Then this condition is true. Mrs. comes here. What about here? F equal to M. Condition false. That is female. Right. Okay. Female. It condition comes here. Here, D5 equal to yes. That means is no. Sarika is unmarried. Then n equal to y. Condition false, blank comes. Same thing here. Now, wherever blank comes, it is assumed female unmarried. Then it should be miss. Here I like to put MISS, miss. We can drag it until now. This first stage is over. If it is a male, Mr. If it is a female, married, Mrs. Female, unmarried, Miss. Then second step, we need first letter of the father or husband name. First letter of the father or husband name. How we can get it? Already we studied function left. Left of B2, 1. Here, before that I got to go. Now we are having here Mr. Along with Mr. K should be joined. K should be appended along with Mr. Then we have to concatenate these two texts, Mr. as well as K. Then before I got to go here, concatenate, we got to paste. Open bracket. Come here, comma. Now I like to extract only one character from the left hand side of the B2. Then I have to use left function. Left of B2, 1. That means B2 contains father or husband name. First letter I need only one character from the left hand side of the father or husband name. At last this bracket, this black bracket go for concatenate. This from if to this, it gives either Mr., Miss or Mrs. Left of B2, 1 gives first alphabet of the father or husband name. Now see, you can drag it here. Mr. K, Mrs. S, Mr. R, Miss S. So comes. After that, I need one full stop and then student name. Very simple. Now onwards, put comma here. Within double quotes, put double quotes, one dot. So Mr. K dot. So initial comes K dot. So after that, I need A2, Selvamani, year edit. Simple. That's also very simple. After dot, we can put one more comma. Directly we can put A2. So concatenate is used to join more than one text. Until now, it joins 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 text is joins. Mr. K dot Selvamani. After that, I need son of. If it is male, son of should be appended with Selvamani. If it is female, then if it is married, wife of should be appended. Female, unmarried, daughter of, that means D/O should be appended with it. We will see it, same thing. Whatever you applied here, Mr., Mrs., Miss. Instead of Mr., you should be son of. Instead of Mrs., you should be wife of. Instead of Miss, you should be daughter of. At last, put it, come on. We can type it, same thing. If C2 equal to male, it is assumed, then what will happen? It should be son of, within double quotes, son of, comma. Then if, I just simply copied it, this one. If, double bracket, that means if the condition is false, it is assumed female. Two brackets. D2 equal to, within double quotes, Y. That is female married. Then it should be Mrs. Instead of Mrs., wife of. Come on. Female. This condition, if the condition is false, it is assumed to female. If this condition also false, it is assumed to be unmarried. Then it should be daughter of. So 2 if there are the 2 bracket. At last, we need one more bracket for concatenate. We will study it here. Son of joined correctly, no problem. Here, wife of joined, no problem. So everything comes pakka. You can put it here. Wherever male is available, son of comes. If male is not there, the condition will be false. It is assumed female. It comes here. If Y is the D2 contains Y, it is assumed she is married. then Y5 will be abandoned. If this condition also false, it is assumed she is unmarried, then daughter of will be abandoned. Now see, Mr. K. Selvaman is son of, Mrs. S. Edil, wife of. Here, Miss S. Sariga, daughter of. So afterwards, this father or husband name should be appended with result. That's also very simple. Here, you have to click, come on. Directly we can put to B2. So Mr. K. Selvamani, son of Krishnamurthy. Here, Mrs. S. Edil Rani, wife of Selvamani. Miss S. Sariga, daughter of Selvamani. So everything pakka. After that, we need you are eligible to vote since you are 45 years old. First, we will see either the concerned person is eligible to vote or not eligible to vote. So now we got to check it up. E2. If the E2 is greater than or equal to 18, we need you are eligible to vote. If the condition is false, that means the age is less than 18, you are not eligible to vote. Should be appended with the result. Now we will see here how we can go to at last. Again we need if. Now we have to check it up. E2. E2 greater than equal to 18 condition. If the condition is true, we should get you are eligible to vote. If the condition is false, you are not eligible to vote. So this text will be displayed as it is. At last, after B2 means Krishnamurthy. After Krishnamurthy, comma, we are having one condition. The condition here 45 is there. 45 greater than or equal to 18. The condition is true. The true block, what is available in true block? You are eligible to vote. That will be displayed. See here, you are eligible to vote. Now we can drag it here. We can go for Sarika. You are not eligible to vote. We can check it out. So the condition E5 greater than or equal to 18. E5 contains only 14. 14 greater than equal to 18. Condition false. False block will be displayed. In false block, what we are having? You are not eligible to vote. That is why it is available. Miss S. Sarika, daughter of Selvamani, you are not eligible to vote. So at last we can one more thing. Since you are 45 years old. So along with this result, we like to add since you are. That's also very simple. Go to before this concatenate symbol, comma. Within double quote directly you can put since you are as it is. See here, just to drag it. Since you are will be appended with the result. That is Mr. K. Selvamani, son of Krishnamurthy, you are eligible to vote since you are. Now after that, whatever available in E5 should be appended with it. That means since you are 45. That's also very simple. After that, put comma. Instead of 45, I have to type here E2. Okay, so whatever available in E2 will be appended with the final result. We can drag it here. See here, since you are Sariga Selvamani, you are not eligible to vote since you are 14 years. Here, you are eligible to vote since you are 45 years. Along with 45 years old. Then, that's also very simple. After that, go put within double quotes, type it here. Years old. Double quote proceed. Then drag it here. That's all. Very simple. Now, one thing I like to teach you, just to see. First, we will see. Here, Mr. K. Selvamani, son of Krishnamurthy, you are eligible to vote since you are 45 years old. We'll pick it up. Concatenate is a function which append more than one text. Here, we are having so many texts. First one is Mr. or Mrs. or Miss. That will come. After that, I need first alphabet of the B column. Okay, then we need either son of, wife of, or daughter of. Likewise, it goes. So on concatenate comes outer side. After that, open bracket, close bracket. This open bracket, last close bracket for concatenate. If is there. If C2 equal to M, that is male, Mr. will be displayed. This condition is false. It is assumed the concerned person is female. Then we have to check it up, either she is married or unmarried. If the condition is true, it is assumed she is married, then Mrs. will be displayed. This condition also false, female, unmarried, then Miss will come. So either Mr. or Miss or Mrs. will come from this one. Comma, left of B2, comma 1. That means first letter of the father or husband name is a initial. Then after Mr., Miss or Mrs., I need first letter of the B column. Then already we know very well, left function is used. Left of, open bracket, close bracket, B2, comma 1. Then it will come Mr. K comes. Then after that I put one single dot, within double quote single dot. So Mr. K dot will be there. Afterwards A2. A2 means a cell omni automatically displayed. Here AD will be displayed, here Guru will be displayed. After that I need both son of or wife of or daughter of. Same thing, this condition from year to year, I replicated here. Just change instead of Mr. I change it as son of. Mrs. wife of. Instead of Miss, I change it as daughter of. So any one of these, either son of or wife of or daughter of will come here. If the male is there, son of will come. If the female is there, D2, D3 will be checked up. If it is wife, then wife of comes. If it is no, daughter of will come. So Mr. K dot Selvam is son of. After that, whatever available B column should be displayed here. Then directly we can put B2. See it here, B2. Krishnamurti will come here, Selvam will come. That means Mr. K dot Selvam is son of Krishnamurti, or Mrs. S dot Adil, wife of Selvam will come. After that, we have to check it up, E column. If the E column, E2 contains greater than or equal to 18, you are eligible to vote. So one more if, E2 greater than or equal to 18. If the condition is true, true block will come. What is available in true block? You are eligible to vote. That will be displayed. If the condition is false, false block will come. For this if, this is a false block. You are not eligible to vote will become. So say your 45 is there, so you are eligible to vote. Your 14 is there, you are not eligible to vote. Then since you are, that will be attached with the result as it is within double quotes. So you are eligible to vote since you are. Instead of 80, E2, 45 will be displayed. So since you are 45 years old, that will be attached with the at last. So Mr. K. Selvamani, son of Krishnamurti, you are eligible to vote. So drag it here. So very simple. Already I told you, don't get afraid by seeing very large, very big function. If you do step by step, it will be very much easy. First, we have to find out this if only from year to year. First, find out Mr. and then find out Mrs. or Miss. And then go for beginning of the function, type concatenate, after that comma, left B2, comma 1. After that, you can go for dot and then A2 and then if, same thing, you can replicate from year to year replicate. Instead of Mr., you got to change it as son of, as well as Mrs. wife of, Miss daughter of. Then B2, comma. It is very simple. If condition true block, false block. Then comma. Since you are, you can type it as it is, E2, comma, years old. If you go for step by step, you can easily finish it off. So now you know how to use more than one function to get the desired result. So now we are fluent with the functions. I like to give one more homework to you. Already we know very well in Tamil Nadu electricity board, there are so many plants are there. For example, if the number of the unit is less than or equal to 100, charges will be 0. If the number of the unit lies in between 100 to 200, first 100 unit is 0. From 101st unit will be charged as per unit 1.5 rupees. That is 1 rupees 50 paise. Similarly, after 200, if the number of the unit lies in between 200 to 500, there will be, I think, 2.5 rupees. That is 2 rupees 50 paise. If the number of the unit is more than 500, per unit we have to pay 6.5 rupees. That is 6 rupees 50 paise. So using if nested if function, you can do it yourself. You can practice in your home. If you have any doubt, you can contact me through the WhatsApp. In next lesson, I will teach you how to find out this, how to calculate the electricity charges depending upon the number of the unit you consumed. Okay, today I stopped here itself. In next class, we will study a little bit more. Until then, thank you students. Bye-bye.